so this pattern calls for a multiples of 10. So you're going to chain 10, 10, 10 until you reach your desired width. Then you're going to add 2 chains. Okay, so then you're going to add 2 chains. Then you're going to do a single crochet in the first chain. Let me see, I did this. I suggest you make these a little bit loose so you can fit the crochet in there. You can either do loosen the chains, or you can use a bigger hook, and then to do the chains, and then just go back to your normal hook. And that way it's easy for you to do this. Okay, so you're gonna do 1, and then another single crochet. I did not do loose chains, so I'm having trouble here. Okay, 2 crochets. Then you're going to skip 3 chains. So, and in the 4th chain, you're going to do 3 double crochets. Goodness. 3, and then you're going to chain 1, and then go back in the same chain and do another 3 double crochets. Oops. Okay, then you're going to skip 3 chains again. 3, so this is 1, 2, 3. So in the 4th chain, you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 1, then you're going to skip a chain, and then do a single crochet in the next chain. And again, you're going to start over, so you're going to do skip 3 chains, and then in the 4th do your 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then 3 double crochets in the same chain. There you go. So you're going to skip 3 chains. Now, this should be, I think I got, see, you're going to skip 3 chains. So in the last 2 chains, I guess I skip 3. So in the last 2 chains, you're going to do a 2 single crochets. The last 2 chains. But the foundation row is, after you do your 3 double crochets, you're going to skip 3, then you're going to do a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and then do a single crochet. Skip 3 chains, 3 double crochets in the same chain, chain 1, another 3 double crochets, and then again you're going to skip 3 chain, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and then single crochet. And that is going to be your foundation row. So for row number 2, you're going to chain up 2, and then in this very first stitch right here, you're going to do a half double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3, and then this chain 1 space right here, you're going to do a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. Now, in this chain 1 space right here, you're going to do a half double crochet. So it's kind of difficult to do because if you do this, it kind of does this. So what I do is just do, you know, yarn over, and then I twist this or grab this and pull it down so I can do the half double crochet. There you go, see? Then you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do another half double crochet in that same chain. It's going to be a V stitch of a half double crochet like this. Chain 3, and then do a single crochet in the chain 1 space, and then you would chain 3, And then in the chain, in the first chain, not chain one space, half double crochet, chain one, half double crochet, and then chain three again, and then a single crochet in the chain one space, and so forth. And that would be your row number 2. Oh, wait, let me finish this row. So you would chain 3, then you're going to do a half double crochet in the chain, in the, what do you call it? The single crochet from below. So again, you have to just grab onto the yarn there. There you go. And that's row number 2. So row number 3, it says chain up 3. And in this same chain, same stitch right here, this first stitch, oh, I can't, oh, here it is. You're going to do 3 double crochets. Then you're going to jump to this, oh, you're going to, so in this chain space, 3 chain space, you're going to do a half single crochet. You're going to chain 1, then you're going to jump this single crochet in here. This next space, you're going to do a single crochet. Then in this chain 1 space right here below, you're going to do your 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then 3 double crochets. Then you're going to do this again. So a single crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 1, and then a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. And then you would skip to the chain 1 space below and do your 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, and then I do your single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 1, and the single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Yeah, so that's row number 3. So after you do that again, you would start over. You jump into the chain 1 space below and do your 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. So once you're at the end, you're going to do 2 half double crochets on the single crochets from below. No, on the not single crochets. This is a half double crochet and the half double crochet. Actually, on the chain 2. On chain 2, you're going to do 4 double crochets. On the chain 2 from below, which counted as a half double crochet. Okay, so row number 4, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to do a single crochet in that very first stitch. Why does it look so strange? I don't know. Okay. Then you're going to chain 3. And in this chain 1 space right here, you're going to do your half double crochet. So just try to twist this back up. Pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and then your other half double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3, and then in this chain 1 space, you're going to do a single crochet. Chain 3. Look for it's right here. for the chain one space and do your half double crochet. So this is a repeat of row 2, sort of, because instead of starting with the half double crochets, you start with a single crochet, but it's the same. Oh, sorry, just my eyes itchy. Okay. Okay, and that's it. So then you, again, you would do 3 chains, a single crochet in the middle of this chain 1, chain 3, half double crochet in the chain 1 space below right here. That's between the single crochets. So half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet. So at the end you would chain 3, and then you would do 1 single crochet on top of the chain 3. Right here, like that. So row number 5, we're going to chain up 1. You're going to do a single crochet in this first stitch right here, and then another single crochet in this chain 3 space. Then you're going to jump into this chain 1 space here and do your 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. Done. Then you're going to do your single crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 3 space, and then you would jump over again to the chain 1 space and do your 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, and that's row number 5. Which is the same as row number 3. The difference is, it's the same, just that row number 3 starts with a chain 3, and here you're chaining up 1 and doing a single crochet. That's the difference. And again, you would do on the next chain 3 space, do a single crochet, chain 1, and do another single crochet on the other side, on the other chain 3 space. You're going to skip this right here. So to end this one, you would actually do a single crochet in the chain 3 space, and then do a single crochet on top of the chain 3. No, on the single crochet, sorry, which I cannot find. It's kind of hard to see. I think it's this one. I think it's this one right here. Kind of hard to see. As long as it's straight, I guess that's what matters. Which in this case it's not. But if I put it over here, let me see. That's not it. This is the single crochet. It's kind of hard to see. And it kind of gets lost. It should be the single crochet. So row 2 is the same, almost is the same as far as what the middle goes as row 4, and row 3 is the same as row 5. It's just the way they start and they end. And that's the pattern. See, it's kind of, if you do it with, this is a worsted weight. If you do it with a medium, a 3, it's probably it's gonna look a little bit lacy, depending on what yarn you're using. It will probably have a nice, oh, what is it called? Because it's kind of, when the 3 weight, depending on the yarn, once you start to work with it, it kind of gets a little heavy. so it lays really nice. If you're doing making a shawl, it lays really nice. It's kind of that, it has that sort of heavy feel, but it's not heavy. But it lays real nice, and it lays real flat. So it's really pretty. You don't have to block those because of the way the yarn is. But they're a little more expensive, but they're worth it. They're really pretty. The other yarn that I like to use this for is the Karen Skinny Cakes. They sell those exclusively at Walmart right now. Some sell them. The colors that are discontinued, a lot of retailers sell them, like on eBay. I do. I sell those on eBay because they're discontinued, so they sell them to us. But the new colors are exclusively sold at Michael's, and that's a really pretty line of colors. So anyway, so that's the pattern. So that's, again, it's repeat rows 2 to 3. So let's start. I'm just going to do one more row. So row 2, you're just going to chain up 2. And in that same stitch, you're going to do a half double crochet. And then you're going to chain 3. And then do a single crochet in this chain 1 space. 3. And then you're going to do, in this space right here, it's kind of hard to see, half double crochet. Kind of hard to have a hard time doing this one. It can be a little annoying, but it's doable. And chain 3, single crochet, and chain 1 space, chain 3. Then again, you would do the half double crochet, chain 1 half double crochet, and that chain 1 space below. And then to end, we would end with 2 half double crochets above the last single crochet. Oop, that's not a half double crochet. Double crochet, and that's it. You just go from there. That's the pattern. I have to stretch it out a little bit just to get it to open. Yeah, this would look really pretty with a DK weight. A 3, which was the DK weight. Not any. The ones I've used the best for me is Karen Simply Soft. It's really pretty. It gives it a nice touch to the shawls if you're gonna make a shawl, or well, in this case, a wrap. Anyway, so that's it. Please feel free to email me with any questions. I guess that's all. Well, I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.